Hi guys! Today, what we decided is to ask questions for this little guy over here, our 3-year-old.
Another mommy.
What is your name?
Boo boo.
What's your real name? What's your real name? Ay, nako. I'm?
Yanis.
How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
Good job.
But I want to be a shutter.
What's your favorite food?
Onion rings.
What is your favorite snacks?
Onion rings.
Still?
Yeah.
What is your favorite drink?
Chocolate drink.
What do you like to watch?
Wooden dump truck.
Real dump truck?
No, wait, not wheel dump truck. Oh, just wooden dump truck.
A wooden dump truck.
It's just the other ones I just watch on TV.
What is your favorite book?
The puffer fish.
What is your favorite toy?
Fire truck.
Like this one?
Wheel. Yes, this one. We'll be at on top of it. He's gonna fall down.
What makes you upset or angry?
The toys make me angry.
Why is that?
Plus, it makes me disappointed about things because my toys are gonna break, Ma.
How do you call your grandparents? Like daddy's papa.
Daddy is grandpa, Ma.
How about daddy's mama? How do you call her?
He's grandma.
Grandma. How about mommy's mama?
Your grandma's mommy.
Yeah, how do you call mommy's mama?
Mama!
No. You call it Lala?
I want Yaya, Ma, because Yaya's sick.
Yeah, sick, right? How about Lolo?
Yaya is Daddy Yaya.
Yeah.
For Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy Lolo, right?
No, Daddy's not Daddy.
Lolo is in
Daddy's-
heaven, right?
No, Daddy's Kevin.
Remember, Lolo is already sleeping in heaven, right? What is your comfort items, or what do you like to have when you sleep or something like that? Or what you always
Milk!
milk? No.
Let's drink milk in your toy.
Oh, no. Oh, what's your comfort items? Like you always bring it all the time. How about your blanket, Ii, right?
My E is stinky.
What is your favorite activity to do? Okay, what do you like to do every day?
To be a doctor.
To be doctor. I don't think you play doctor.
The doctor is a girl.
Is that what you want? You like to do to be a doctor?
Yes. Because Daddy wants to be a doctor too, and I want to be a doctor too.
What is your bedtime
So,
or nap time?
because I was being angry.
Being angry is your nap time.
Doesn't have a spiky thing over here, Ma.
Okay, what time do you sleep? Very late?
I sleep in very night time.
And then what time is it? 11?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
How about in the morning? What time do you get up?
I sleep in morning.
How about your nap time? What time do you sleep for nap time?
In your bed, Mommy.
What makes you awesome?
The toys make me bad. The toys make me awesome, Ma.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the doctor scares everybody.
Because the doctor gives you shots?
No, I won't give you shot, Ma.
If you get rich, Yan, what do you want to give to mommy and daddy?
Present.
Presents, and what kind of presents?
You want a dump truck, Ma.
No, I don't. You do.
No, you do, Ma.
Okay, what you want to give to mommy and daddy when you get rich?
I will give you ladders to climb a bed. I want to get book bags.
That's all you want to give?
Yeah. For
Okay.
you, Mommy and Daddy.
That's all? Oh my.
Yeah.
We will not gonna get rich.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you rich. Yeah, in my subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.